Bitcoin just crashed down to 26,000 US dollars, and in this exact video I will talk about why this happened to Bitcoin. Yesterday the news came out that all the Bitcoin spot ETFs got delayed. I will be quickly talk about what this means for the market and what is going to be happening next year, and more importantly, what are the next big levels of big support for Bitcoin and crypto. Is history repeating right now here? And many more important charts we need to be discussing right now in today's update video. So don't forget to slap up that like button on today's update video. Can we smash it back above 400 likes? That will be absolutely incredible. And with that being said, let me jump straight away in towards the content. So back on this Tuesday, Bitcoin had a significant pump towards the upside since Grayscale won the lawsuit. But what many said on the internet is that a Bitcoin spot ETF is right now coming, but that is not the case. I've been saying this for many times on Twitter. I've been saying this in yesterday's video, also in the video before, and once the breaking news basically hit the market. So what right now happened is that they are forcing the SEC to reconsider the application and make a decision whether to approve or reject it. But if they want to reject it, they have to give a good analysis about why they are rejecting it. And since the Bitcoin futures ETF is already approved, and it looks super similar towards the spot ETF, they can't really give a very good reason to deny it. So probably a Bitcoin spot ETF is going to be happening. And yesterday we got the news from the SEC that all the Bitcoin spot ETFs got postponed. So yeah, they've got 4 deadlines here to be basically saying, okay, we're going to approve it or deny it, or they're going to postpone it. And yesterday we had the first deadline. It was getting postponed once again here. This is probably something I've been saying for quite a while here, but this was so expected. So I personally don't understand why the market crashed towards the downside, since it was already a huge consensus that Bitcoin was going to be seeing this spot ETF going to get postponed. So the spot ETF got postponed, and I've been saying this for quite a lot of times before here. In 2024, the final deadline will be there, and since they do not have got a very good reasoning to deny it, since they literally lost a lawsuit from that, we are expecting that this Bitcoin spot ETF is going to be happening somewhere either at the end point of 2023 or the beginning point of 2024. So we have to be a little bit more patient, but this is allowing us to be buying more cheap Bitcoin, since yes, right now the masses are not buying Bitcoin yet. So I've been saying this for quite a while here. Buy the filing date from the Bitcoin spot ETF, buy every single time it is getting postponed, and sell once the spot ETF is there. That is actually my game plan right now here. So I'm currently still buying Bitcoin, and once the spot ETF is really going to get approved, what is going to be happening, I can guarantee you, and it's probably going to happen in 2024, we are going to see a massive pump in this market. So right now Bitcoin has been just once again coming down back towards its lows where it was trading on previously around as well. So yeah, we're once again finding support around the 25.8k level where Bitcoin basically bounced from. And it's pretty funny because just like Ripple, they won the lawsuit, and after that they had a move towards the downside and basically undoing their entire movement towards the upside. And right now for Bitcoin, we're seeing something similar. They won the lawsuit. It was of course a gigantic win for the industry, but once again Bitcoin is back towards its lows in the market. So you can currently see, if you're approaching it from a daily perspective, Bitcoin is just back on that $25,000 support. I've been talking about this level for quite a while here, but we can clearly spot a gigantic level of support below us. And really what I'm expecting is boring sideways consolidation for Bitcoin. So if you want to be benefiting from the lower prices, and if you want to be trading or buying or accumulating crypto, don't forget to go to BYBIT, because if you go to the link description of today's video, you can actually claim a deposit bonus up to $1,000. And all you need to do here is sign up an account using the link below here, deposit $100 within 7 days, and you can claim a free 1,000 US dollars Bitcoin or XRP long or short position. Super simple. So go to the link description. If you're interested in trading, you can claim an additional 1,000 US dollars for free. Further on, looking at Bitcoin and this trend in general here, we can currently clearly see here the big support is around $25,000, and if we're really going to be breaking below the support, I will be expecting $21,000 is going to be the major support for Bitcoin, where we will probably start to see a gigantic bounce from getting created if we do move down towards that level. So if Bitcoin really moves down towards this level, 21.5k, I would be really interested to be accumulating long positions on Bitcoin. Anyways, I still think Bitcoin is fairly looking good here. Only once again, we've got the postponement from the Bitcoin spot ETF, and apparently the entire market is weighted on whether the spot ETF is going to come or not. You have to understand, I mean, if you're looking at the market scenario, these companies are almost certain to get that spot ETF, but probably is going to be happening in 2024. And right now they're going to use the lower prices in the market to be accumulating their Bitcoins for the spot ETFs, because for this regulated spot ETF, you need to have a one-on-one backing for every Bitcoin you have in your ETF. So they will be necessary to be accumulating Bitcoin, and that will be definitely pumping up the price and really bringing down the available liquidity in the market to be buying up here. What is overall a gigantic positive to take here? Of course, a gigantic resistance around the 32,000 US dollars. If we break that, I think the bull market is going to be back here. We also saw a rejection from the 200 weekly moving average, what is of course actually quite a bearish thing to see here. So let's see how it's going to be playing out here. Historically speaking, this is the first bear market where we're really trading below the 200 weekly moving average, and we're once again trading below it. And we're still in bear market territorium. If we break above that $32,000, this resistance right here, I think the bull market is going to get started. But that was it for me in today's update video. These are all the things that are currently going on. So I hope to see you guys back on tomorrow's update video. Peace out. Goodbye.